How to add animated push text transition in Davinci Resolve. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text into Timeline. With the text selected, go to Inspector, and under Title tab, change the text properties to your liking. Now in the Effects panel, click on Video Transitions and search for Push. Drag and drop Push Transition to the start of your text. And now we have this push-in text effect, but it's not smooth. To smoothen the transition, click on the transition and in the inspector, set ease to out. We also can change the direction of it to be, for example, toward up. To change the duration of the transition, just drag its end to left or right. Now that we have a push-up, let's create a push-down transition. Hold down the Alt key, drag the transition, and drop it to the end of your text. Select the new transition, set ease to in, and change preset to push down. And now we have a nice smooth push in and out text transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.